This is Daisy again, and today I am going to share with you the integration of Zapier to ClickFunnels and Infusionsoft. So the gist is that from ClickFunnels, any event or user activity from our funnel steps will be zapped or monitored or recorded by Zapier, and those activities that we have configured in Zapier in this app will give signals to Infusionsoft. And in Infusionsoft, the signals has the corresponding actions that Infusionsoft will act upon. So let me share with you my campaign for building jeans with legacy campaign. So this is the campaign builder I have built in Infusionsoft. For this sequence, we have an abandoned cart email. The tags that these are the signals that will fire this sequence. So if the contact was tagged as legacy bundle step 1 only, they will be automatically included in this sequence. A delay timer is inside this sequence for an hour, but I have set it up for a minute to check that if the email has been sent to my email. Then here in the decision diamond, we have conditions that we can configure or set up. So we have the outcome. Two outcomes. One is the abandoned cart email, and the other one is nothing. No actions will be taken. If the contact is tagged that contains word, they will be directed to this sequence. So let me show you this decision diamond is. Okay. So rules for nothing or no actions will be taken if the contact is being tagged that contains this keyword legacy bundle. Okay, so if they purchase the legacy bundle, so they will be directed to the nothing sequence. It means no actions will be taken. While for the abandoned cart email, if the contact is being tagged that doesn't contain legacy bundle or they stopped at step 1 and they did not proceed on step 2, abandoned cart email will be fired. And this is the content of this sequence, the abandoned cart email. Okay, while for the purchase email, if they purchase or they tagged or the contact is tagged under legacy bundle or they have purchased a legacy bundle, so a purchase email will be sent to their email. So for this setup is for the order bump. Same thing or same process is set up like the abandoned cart email sequence. Okay, so first we are going to create the tags. In this campaign builder, let's just drag and drop the tag, then click the view and edit. And here you can add the tags. Type in the tag names or the tags that you want to put in. So I did 5 tags. So this is the pre-purchase step 1 only, the purchase bump order, purchase downsell, purchase legacy bundle, purchase upsell. In adding tag, just type in and then click the plus button and then click save. So that's how adding tags, and it's the simplest way in creating tag inside Infusionsoft. Next, we go to Zapier. So this is the Zapier that I have recently created. So as you have may noticed that it's in a free trial pro account for 14 days. Okay, so we will do our connection with ClickFunnels and Infusionsoft. So it's a context of lovers and Zapier is a matchmaker. Joke. Zapier is the bridge of these two apps, the Infusionsoft and the ClickFunnels. We can do the connection in two ways. Here in this app dashboard, we can click the My Apps and then we can add connections. I already have connected the ClickFunnel and Infusionsoft. And the other way is to connect the ClickFunnel to the process of creating our Zap. Okay, I will show you how to connect the ClickFunnel and Infusionsoft to the process of creating a Zap. But first, let me show you the Zaps that I have created. Okay, I have created here 5 Zaps. Okay, so the pre-purchase step 1 for the abandoned cart, then the purchase bundle with no order bomb, the downsell, and the upsell. Okay, so let's go now create our Zap. Okay, first we see name our Zap. For this one, let me name it Legacy Bundle Step 1 only version 2. Then it's a step-by-step process that the Zap will guide you through. And for this one, we are on trigger. So we'll click the trigger from the ClickFunnels. The trigger event is the new activity. Okay, new activity, it means there's no purchase happening since this app is for the abandoned cart email. No purchase happened yet. Next, we will choose our ClickFunnel account. Okay. So as you have noticed, I already connected my ClickFunnel. If you are new in connecting one, just click this add button. Then just make sure that you are logged in with your ClickFunnel account, and automatically you will be directed to log in your details, and that's it. It's been connected. So I'll choose my ClickFunnel, then click continue. Okay. Then you may have noticed that, let's refresh these fields. Okay, you may have noticed that there's a lot of funnel campaign under my account. So to pull out the correct funnel, go back to your ClickFunnel account on your funnel and get your funnel ID. So the funnel ID is this number here on the URL of the funnel. Just copy it and click the custom. The funnel custom. Then paste the funnel ID here. It's refreshing its field. And like the custom and paste item, then this will automatically pull out all the funnel steps under the funnel, under this funnel ID. Okay, we will choose the legacy bundle order since the order form is here in this step. Then we click continue. Then we can test the trigger. Okay, we found contact, great. Then we click continue again. Okay. That's done. So now the second step is action. So when Zap um, detect the trigger from the click funnel, what do you want Zap to do? So Zap will now be sending triggers to Infusionsoft. So we'll click the Infusionsoft here and choose the event. So for this one, we will choose to create an update contact. Okay. And next, we click our Infusionsoft account. So if you haven't connected the Infusionsoft account, you can again click here the plus button sign, and this will direct you to connect the Infusionsoft account. Next, click continue. Okay, so for the action, this email is required, so we'll just choose the email, insert the data, and then for the opt-in, we click yes. Yes for receiving marketing communication. Okay. So I'll choose name here, first name only. Then we will tag this contact or update this contact. So you remember that we created tags in Infusionsoft, right? So this should meet the requirement. That is, if the contact is tagged, you may have noticed that those tags were automatically updated here in the Zap. Okay. So the pre-purchase step one only bundle. And tag. So this will be tagged. The new contact will be tagged for pre-purchase step only 1 for legacy bundle. Okay, and at the bottom, we will click continue. Okay. Then he wants it to test. Then we can now test. And test is successful. We can now turn on the Zap that we have created. This process is also the same to downsell and upsell. So you will have to choose the correct tags. While for the contacts that don't purchase order bump, we will create another step for that. By adding a filter step. So I said earlier that the process in creating a Zap for downsell and upsell is almost the same to the purchase step one only legacy bundle launch, aside from two things. Number one is the tagging them correctly for the downsell or for the upsell. And number two, the event is for purchase activity, not for new activity. So let me show you that by creating our next Zap. This is now with filter, the no order bump, and with order bump. This is the same process that I will show you. Okay, first let's click the create Zap. Okay, and next let's rename the Zap to purchase bundle with no order bump version 2, since I already created the version 1. Next, we will click the app that's ClickFunnels. So I said earlier that the difference for the pre-purchase to this event is the new successful purchase, since this was there's already purchased order. I mean, a product has already been purchased. So we'll click this trigger event, then continue. and then connect our ClickFunnels account. Okay. This is the funnel ID. The funnel step will be from the legacy bundle order, since we have two products under the legacy bundle order step, the order bump and the legacy bundle. Then let's test our trigger. So trigger is successful. Okay. Next is adding filter. In adding filter, just click the add button, the plus button, and then click the filter. Okay. So for this one, Zapier will filter it out, and let's set up the filters. Okay. So Zap will continue to give signal to Infusionsoft to create and update the contact or this contact if the product name contains legacy bundle and if it doesn't contain legacy bundle order bump. It means the contact bought legacy bundle, but he doesn't included the order bump. Okay, so that's our filter for this Zap. Then we'll continue, and then this is the action that will be taken. Okay. So who will take the actions? Again, that's Infusionsoft, and the event will create an update. Infusionsoft will create and update the contact, and then the account, Infusionsoft account. Okay, so we will click the Infusionsoft. If you haven't, just click this button. Next, the action. The actions, okay, email is required, and then for the opt-in for marketing communications, always choose yes for this one, and well, I choose name, but it's your preference. Next is tagging, so this is also important for this one. The contact will be tagged purchase legacy bundle if they purchase legacy bundle, and then we click continue. Okay, then since the test was successful, we can now turn on this app. Since I already created one for the no order bump, okay, so I have 5 Zap that turned on. It's the other 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Okay. The same process will be done too with order bump. So instead that doesn't contain order bump, so you will now include contains the keyword order bump. Okay, that's it. So let's now try testing the pre-purchase or the abandoned cart. From here, I'll click the funnels to make sure that you are in test mode. Okay. I'm going to copy my test card, but since I will not going to buy, maybe I don't need that. Okay. AC email, I'm going to use our test email, test 10 for this one. Random number. Okay, click yes. And we will wait if the abandoned cart email will be sent to my email. This is December 17. So today is December 18. Alright, there we have it. The abandoned cart email was sent from test 10 email. after a minute. All right, so and there you have it, the integration of Zap, Infusionsoft, and ClickFunnels. Thank you for watching and have a great day.